Hey, tech enthusiasts! Ever found yourself endlessly scrolling through Amazon, hunting for that one product that's both cool and useful? Well, today I've got you covered with some of Amazon's quirkiest, most innovative, and downright coolest products you won't believe exist. Let's dive in. First up, we have the Amazon Echo Dot. Now, you might be thinking, it's just a smart speaker, but this little device packs a punch. Not only does it play your favorite music, but it also controls your smart home, sets reminders, and even tells jokes. Plus, with Alexa, you get hands-free convenience at its finest. It's like having a personal assistant that never sleeps. Next, let's talk about the Fire TV Stick with Alexa voice remote. Imagine transforming any TV into a smart TV. This compact gadget lets you stream thousands of shows and movies from Netflix, Hulu, Prime Video, and more. And the best part? You can control it with your voice. Say goodbye to lost remotes and hello to binge watching on a whole new level. Moving on, we have the Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 electric pressure cooker. Why is this a kitchen game changer, you ask? It combines 7 appliances in one: pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, sauté pan, yogurt maker, and warmer. It's eco-friendly, saves you space, and makes cooking so much easier. Perfect for those who want to whip up healthy meals without the hassle. Now, for all the bookworms out there, the Kindle Paperwhite is a must-have. It's lightweight, waterproof, and has a glare-free display that reads like real paper, even in bright sunlight. Plus, with a single charge lasting weeks, you can carry your entire library with you wherever you go. For those always on the move, the Anker PowerCore 10000 portable charger is a lifesaver. This compact powerhouse can charge your phone multiple times on a single charge. It's incredibly portable and perfect for travel, long commutes, or just having that extra peace of mind. And finally, meet the iRobot Roomba 690 robot vacuum. This little robot takes the chore out of cleaning. It navigates your home, avoids obstacles, and even works on both carpet and hard floors. You can schedule cleanings from your phone, and it's small enough to reach those pesky, hard-to-clean spots. Talk about innovative and convenient. So there you have it, Amazon's quirkiest and coolest products that are not only unique, but also make life a whole lot easier. If you're interested in any of these, check out the links in the description below to explore the latest Amazon deals. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more awesome tech content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping!